Hey there guys, so in this quick video I'm going to talk about how you can get actually like cheaper T-Mobile plan. Now I was working as a representative for T-Mobile, so very important thing. The first thing, check if you are eligible for discounts. This is very important. Also, if you can, like if it's possible to switch to prepaid options, like T-Mobile Connect or Mint Mobile for savings, leveraging the insider codes for like 20% postpaid. So when you have like insider codes, you can like Google it, or joining a family plan with 3+ lines for better per line rates. So maybe they're going to change it, but this is something that you also want to do. I know when you're watching this video, if you have like around you someone who get like the family plan that you can like join, this is something that people were doing. And also removing insurance using 55+ plans. This is like another thing. An important thing what you can do, I don't know how it is right now, because there was some time that I was actually like working for telecom for the T-Mobile. You want to actually like call them and ask if they have retention, right? That if they could possibly provide you if they could provide you, you know how it's called, because kind of like lower prices, you know. So this is something that you can also do, and this is something that it's possible to done, and that's pretty much it. So I just want to make this like very quick and effective video. So primarily check out the insider codes. So when you're gonna have a new account, often found on the like T-Mobile subreddit, through rare but is like possible. Also free line promotions and a senior plans, 55+ plan, also a T-Mobile Connect you want to check out. So that's kind of like another thing that is possible. And even if you're like military veteran, first responder, this is something that you can also check for yourself. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.